Hello, good afternoon. I'm Carlo Tabihe. I'm turning 47 in 2 days. I'm from Mandaluyong and I work in film as a production and costume designer, and I'm also a transformation and fitness coach. I've been living with HIV for 21 years. I've been undetected for the longest time. I'm also in a zero different relationship with my partner, and that means I'm HIV positive. My partner remains negative up until now, after 20 years that we've been together. That shows that with proper treatment, coupled with fitness and holistic approach to wellness, I think this is possible to happen for everybody. I am here because I want to show the people that your life doesn't end with your diagnosis. I decided to be here to audition because I want to bring in the conversation that we don't talk about. Because there are a lot of stories like me that we don't know, it's just because we don't talk about it. I think this is my super body. Thank you.